Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. No, it's my second video. But the first one was so lame, so never mind. I run a web hosting server on the internet and I host a bunch of different sites there. And I get a lot of hacking attempts. It comes with the territory when you run a web server. And I recently noticed some abnormal activity on my PHP-MyAdmin interface, and I also noticed they were using a word list attack, and I thought it could be fun to extract the passwords used from the log files. So let's start with that. I downloaded the log files from the server, by the way, so store them locally on here on my computer. And as you can see, there are two regular uncompressed files and the rest of them are compressed. And my thought is to concatenate all the contents from all the files to one file and continue to work from there. So let's start with that. Start with the two regular files. Redirect the output to, let's call it data.txt. Like so. And for the compressed files, I will use ccat, zcat, probably zcat. Yeah, I don't know. Ccat or zcat. It's a command line utility for viewing contents of compressed files without uncompressing the file. And I'm going to use a for loop to make this happen. And we append the output to the data.txt file and we're done. So I also noticed when I checked the files that they were using string pma_password. So we're going to start by searching for that. Yep, there it is. Not very readable though. So, but we pipe this through awk or awk, not sure how to pronounce that either. It's basically a special purpose programming language designed for text processing. And we're going to print out column 7 because that's the column that contains the addresses we used, as you can see here. And we have all the passwords to the right, but I just want the password, so we're going to pipe this to cut, and we're going to cut out just the passwords, and we're going to use equal sign as a delimiter, and we're going to print out field 4. There we have the passwords, and we can sort them, and we can make it print out only unique posts, like so. We can also count them and sort them by a numerical value again. Yeah, here we can see how many times each password were used under the attempts. And let's just hope no admin out there uses these. Yeah, that's pretty much it. One quick and easy way to filter out text from a log file, for example. And if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making some more videos. And have a nice day.